What is up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have something special. So last week I uploaded the video of this Toyota Townace CR27. So I decided to do a review video today. So today we have the vehicle here. This is Makarim's CR27 Toyota Townace. So this is a little bit of a special vehicle. He has made this vehicle from the bottom up. So this used to be a DX model CR27, which he has converted completely into a MasterACE version of this vehicle. So I'll talk you about what he has done to the vehicle. So the main thing is that he has put a 3C engine to this vehicle. It's a 3C turbo engine. That does the CR27 MasterACE come for the 3C turbo?
MasterACE originally came from 2C turbo.
Okay, so the MasterACE has originally come with the 3C turbo. So he has opted with that engine right now. So this is running on that engine, running on the 3C turbo engine. This comes with a basic 1C or 2C?
Basic 2C engine.
2C engine. Yeah. So this comes with a 2C engine. So it doesn't sound like a big difference, but if you had seen the previous video, you could have if you have ever driven a vehicle with a 2C engine, you know that there's a very big difference,
of course,
compared to the 3C turbo and the basic 2C engine.
Yes.
So he has fitted that amazing engine into this vehicle. So the rest of it is all cosmetic modifications. So he has lowered the vehicle. This is not the original ground height. He has lowered the vehicle.
Maybe 3-4 inches.
Yeah, he has lowered the vehicle by 3 to 4 inches.
Yes.
From the original height, and it is running on 15-inch low profile tires. What's the type of the wheel?
It's a Ebbing fins.
It's called Ebbing fins, and it's a lightweight wheel. It's not just a low wheel. It's a lightweight magnesium.
Size, you mean?
Magnesium wheels.
Yeah, it's a GW.
Okay. So yeah, it's a lightweight wheel set, and it's a Japanese wheel set.
Yeah.
So yes, so it's running on those low profile tires, and it is lowered. That's why it has this stance compared to any other CR27. This is a head turner. Anyone in Kandy who has seen this vehicle know that this is a head turner. This is something special. Wherever you go, you get noticed with this vehicle. Anyone in Kandy, if you ask, have you seen this vehicle, they know. So let's talk about the rest of the things he has done. So down here, I'll post a video. It has a cool box. It's not just a cool box, it's a cool and a hot box.
Also ice maker.
And it has ice makers. It has literally, you can make ice cubes with it. I'll post a video here. I hope you can see the video right now. It has ice trays that comes with this cool box, and this is an option for the MasterACE. And also on the passenger side, there's a footrest, which I didn't even know there was a feature. So there's a footrest on the passenger side. And let's talk. So the air condition, the rear AC is a dual AC system, and it's not just any dual AC system. It is the one that you get for the MasterACE. So the controls are on the right side panel. I can't say it's a door. It's not a door. It's just a panel there. I'll post a video of it as well. So let's talk. Let's see what else.
And also these clusters.
Oh yeah, the clusters. These gauges are from the MasterACE as well. You get the RPM meter. The normal DX CR27 doesn't come with the RPM meter, so that's different as well. And the steering wheel is the one that he's using right now is a original Momo steering wheel. So with an original bodykit. So yeah, the attention to detail here is just amazing.
Side mirrors are different.
So yeah, the side mirrors are also different. The side mirrors
These are made from US.
Oh, these are US mirrors? These are not
only came for the US mirror.
Alright, so the side mirrors on this has only come for the US version of the MasterACE.
Yes.
And also yes, so this has rear soft close doors for the boot lid and for the rear door as well. The boot lid is a little bit of a novelty because you don't get that in many vehicles here. The rear sliding door, that's, you know, you get that in almost all vehicles now right now, but the rear boot lid with the soft close feature, it's a bit rare. So you have that. I will post a video of the, yeah, we'll talk about that as well. So yeah, the rear boot lid is soft close, also the rear sliding door is soft close as well. So yeah, since you press the horn, let's talk about that as well. So the horn in this, it's something called mitsuba dolce. Is it the dolce 2 or dolce 1?
Dolce, it's maybe 2, I think.
Alright, so it's a mitsuba dolce 2. If you know anything about vehicle horns, you know that this is a very expensive pair of horns. It comes with a transistor, it has a fade effect, and you can switch it off with a switch as well, which we'll demonstrate right now. So this is the horn with the fade effect.
Yeah, this I have 2 effects. This is one. This is the type 1.
Yeah, that is the sound without the fade effect.
Yeah, the one.
And that is the sound with the fade effect. So yeah, what else do we have to talk about this vehicle? So I'll post some close-up shots as well. But the front shell, I forgot to talk about that. The front grille, it is a custom-made grille. He has made it himself. He has taken a normal front grille from a CR27 MasterACE, and he has custom-made to fit to this vehicle. Not just to fit to this vehicle, he has modified it a bit. So I don't think you will ever see this particular grille anywhere else, because this is just a custom made for this van. The paint is also different.
Yeah, it's the color, it's tube metallic, you call it. Tube metallic.
Okay, so it's tube metallic. If you have ever watched my videos from the beginning, my OG viewers would know that I have uploaded a video of this mid-transformation. So I have uploaded a video of this while he was transforming this vehicle from the DX to the MasterACE. So it has come a long way from that. It has side skirts. I also noticed that it has side skirt footsteps. Is it also MasterACE?
No, it's a custom.
Oh, it's a custom made side skirts for this van. So apparently it's another extra thing that he has done for this van.
Yeah.
So yes, that's anything else you want to add?
A lot of things to talk about this, and you have to see from the outer appearance.
Alright.
Outer appearance.
So the rear tail lights are also from the MasterACE version?
Yeah, it's
with the
also the flat roof. It's a fit glass type.
Oh yes, okay. I forgot to mention about that. So the rear tail light with the lights on the doors, with the light on the boot lid, it comes for the MasterACE, and the other thing is it has cut glass. Fit glass, sorry. It has fit glass. So that is another option only for the MasterACE. The DX comes with normal cut glass where you can open the shutters. So this one, all around, not just the boot lid, all around it has fit glass. So this comes only for the vehicles that originally comes with dual AC. And the rear fit glass that comes for the MasterACE, it's very hard to find if it's a low roof model. For the high roof model, it's available everywhere. Even in Sri Lanka, you can find the boot lid for that. But for the low roof model, for the low roof fit glass rear door, it's very rare to find. And if you can see the side windows, you would have seen that it's brown glass as well. So that means that these doors and everything has been changed to the MasterACE model interior.
Yes.
What else do you add?
Also the interior.
Interior, yes, the
grey interior.
Yes. Oh yes, it comes with a grey interior. The normal DX, the dashboards, the doorboards, seats, everything, even the consoles, center consoles, everything comes with the grey interior. But for the MasterACE, it's come with a brown interior. Brown you know, in the late 80s, early 90s, brown was considered as luxury. It's what we right now say beige interior is the best. Those days, brown interior came for one of the rarest vehicles those days on the top end of the vehicles. So that's why this has brown seats, brown dashboards. So that is again different from the rest of the vehicles out there. I mean the rest of the CR27s out there. But the best thing about this is the engine. So the engine in this is just a masterpiece. It's really, really good. This vehicle doesn't weigh that much. So the 3C turbo engine, even though it's only like 200cc more than the standard 2C that this comes with.
2.2 liter.
So this is a the 2C is 2 liter, right?
Yeah, 2.2 liter. 2C is a 2 liter.
Yeah, 2C is 2 liter, but the 3C is 2.2 liters.
Yeah.
Even though it's only 200 cc's or 0.2 liters,
Yeah.
it makes a huge difference, especially coupled with the turbocharger. It makes a very, very big difference. It's a very nice riding vehicle. It's a low ride, of course. You have to be very careful when you're driving it. Oh, I forgot to mention about that as well. The bodykit, the front lip, the rear carpet,
Yes.
I would say. Those are all optional extras for the MasterACE.
Not all. The front lip are custom made.
Oh, the front lip is a custom
Front and
made.
the side skirt, yeah.
The front and the side skirt. So
The
okay.
rear lip comes original.
Rear lip comes original.
Yeah,
Okay.
to the
So the front
MasterACE.
lip, I will post a video of it right now. So the front lip is also custom made.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and this has an umbrella holder. It's in the door. When you open the door, there's a umbrella there. I'll post a video clip of it. So that is also another option. Which, you know, it's not option for the MasterACE. It's actually something out of the optional extra book of the catalog of the Toyota. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. So yeah, I think that's it. So that's it for the general review video of this. Yeah, the engine just amazing. The outer appearance, everything is top class. It's something completely different from what you normally see. And yeah, we'll thank you for tuning in, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Do like and subscribe to support the channel. Yeah, thank you for watching.